What's up guys, Random Razor here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out the Moshi Vitros case for the all-new iPhone XS and XS Max. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, slap it on the iPhone, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. So I've reviewed a number of Moshi cases for the past year, and today we're going to check out Moshi's take on a clear case. So the Vitros case comes in your traditional Moshi packaging, pretty easy to open, you just slide it out like so. And it looks like the first and only thing that we get is warranty information as well as the actual case itself. But anyways, let's slap this on the iPhone and see what it looks like. So here's my iPhone XS Max. We'll put a volume button side first, and it should just pop into place. Pretty easy. So here's what the case looks like on the iPhone XS Max. I also have an edge-to-edge tempered glass screen protector here. In this case, it's Moshi's own ion glass screen protector. Taking a quick overview of this case, starting off with the top here, I do have an excellent amount of top protection with this metallic TPU material wrapped around the entire border of the phone. I will say though, if you're rocking a tempered glass screen protector, the lip of this case doesn't lip above the actual glass, so if you place it face down on a table, the glass will be touching the surface. Moving on to the side of the case, we do have covers for your volume rockers, and they still feel like actual buttons when you press on them. Same thing with the power button on the other side, as well as a generous cutout for the vibrate and ringer switch. On the bottom, you have 3 individual cutouts for the stereo speakers, mic, and lightning port. And like I showed you guys earlier, the metallic space gray sides match really nicely with the original space gray look of the iPhone, and they do make the corresponding color matching cases for the other colored iPhones as well. Finally, on the back here, we do have an all clear design that shows out the Apple logo, iPhone logo, as well as the color of your iPhone. The back also features a very nice polished finish to it, which should help resist scratches. And you also have a generous cutout for the dual camera and flash. And I almost forgot, for those of you who are wondering about wireless charging, with the case on, here is a wireless charger, and as you guys can see, it charges without any issues. Overall guys, the first impressions on Moshi's clear case for the iPhone XS and XS Max is fairly positive. I really like Moshi's take on a clear case for the iPhone. It's a little bit different from OtterBox Spec and some other brands I reviewed. You can tell Moshi wanted to design a clear case that preserves the look of the iPhone, not just having a clear back, but also designing the sides to have that same metallic shiny look as the original design of the iPhone. One of the biggest features I like about this case is the fact that you don't have to worry about yellowing. Because the sides here are metallic and colored, usually yellowing occurs with the clear TPU rubber that many case companies use, but in this case, because the sides aren't clear, just a clear plastic, you don't have to worry about that happening. I also like the slim profile the Vitros case has, so for those of you who want a slim profile clear case, this is definitely a better way to go. Granted, it's not going to be as drop protective as an OtterBox Signature case because it has thicker borders. This is a great choice for those of you who aren't as drop prone or just want something that doesn't add a whole lot of bulk to your phone. The other thing that I really like about this case compared to traditional clear cases is that traditional clear cases with that clear TPU, the material is always sticky, so it makes it really difficult to put your iPhone in, and especially taking it out. However, the metallic finish that Moshi uses on their case makes it really easy for the case to slide in as well as sliding out. Normally you like to use a microfiber cloth to kind of pry the case off, which you can see here comes off very easily. In terms of any cons or things I don't like about this case, my only gripe really with the case is the Moshi logo on the bottom here. I think it would have been a little bit better imprinted on the sides, just because Moshi designed such a clean, crystal clear back that all of a sudden you have their logo just kind of stick out. I can tell Moshi designed this case to preserve the look of the iPhone as much as possible, but then when you have their logo just kind of sticking out of nowhere right on the back, it just kind of takes away from that a little bit. Not a whole lot, but again, it is one of those tiny things that kind of stick out to me. In conclusion guys, if you're looking for a slim clear case that doesn't yellow over time, you definitely can't go wrong with the Moshi Vitros case. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, hope you all enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments about this case, ask right in our comment section down below. Hit that like button, as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.